Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix weak Android phone signals and improve your network connectivity with some easy fixes including a hidden code. Let's start with the hidden code that can help improve your signal. You can see the signal is not full right now. Now just go to your phone call and type hash 3370 hash. This will activate enhanced full rate codec for better signal strength. As you can see, it's still like not full. After dialing, just click OK and instantly it gives the full signal. And that's how this the hidden code works. So, and another method, sometimes simply restarting your phone can help refresh your network connection and resolve any signal problems. And sometimes you may need to switch to different networks mode to improve signal strength, and sometimes toggling airplane mode can sometimes help reset your connection to the network and improve the signal. And sometimes the issue is location based. If you are in a low signal area, moving to a different spot may help. You can also turn off battery saver mode, turn it off to improve your connection. If all else fails, reset your network settings and clear up any network issues related issues. By following these steps, you can easily fix your Android phone signal problems and enjoy a better connection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to stay connected. See you in the next one.